You don't know this thing. See, you don't know this thing. Okay. Watch as you are a nurse, I will explain it. Assuming you are not a nurse now, I wouldn't have explained it to you.
Okay.
But don't worry. This is called prophylaxis. We call it prophylaxis. In the other way around, we call it condom.
Yeah.
As it is now, it's only advisable for family issues. Like family that don't want to have children there, that they have already have a lot of children but they don't want to do family planning, but they still want to have sex. So they can use this as another alternate. This is what it's called. So how the thing looks like it's made up of the rubber. And the rubber, let me show you an example of it. Let me show you a sample of it. See, like this now. This is it. But I've already opened this one. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Okay?
How will you fight it?
Okay.
But it's thickness.
No, it's not small. It's very elastic. You can throw it from dice from here to here if you reach your hand. How you can incite it is not difficult. Mainly this is male condom. It's for men, not for women. They have women condom, but this is for men. So how to incite it is that for the man to incite it, after opening it, you untie the top, this top, untie it to the size of your penis. So after untying it, you fix it, but before you untie it, put this top at the mouth of your penis, then you'll be untying it from your penis. After untying it, the next thing you need to do is that let this rubber, this top of here, stay at the end of that your penis, that is this space, let it be at the end of this space. So after them, you don't need to fix you don't need to fix everything inside. This little space here, let me get it. This little space is releasing. You know that when you want to release that, the force, like the energy, the pressure that comes out that moment normally push this. And when your penis is fully jam-packed with all this place, the pressure that you attach with the releasing of that part can can pull off this mouth. And by that time, there will be a need from you. That is why some men normally wonder that, me and this lady have sex, or me and my wife have sex, but we used this, not knowing that this thing later burst and the woman was pregnant. It's not magic, or it's not that the thing burst. It's just because they don't have the knowledge of it. So my dear, this is not advisable for girls that are not married. Why? Because it is not good, it's not advisable.
So it's not good for unmarried girls, not for.
For me, it's not advisable for married men. If you are willing to see, if you want to enjoy the worldly things on time, if you get married on time, it's better for you. As a child of God, it's better for you.
So what are the side effects?
Side effect of it. Side effect, you don't have much side effects. Only the side effect there is that, one, when using it, if you do not fix it well, your sperm can easily enter into the woman or the lady vagina, and in your mind you don't have it on mind to marry that girl. and by that process they may force you to get married to her. That is the only side effect I know of this. There are other many side effects on it. There are other many side effects on it. Another side effect on it is that this is made of chemical. As a man, when using this regularly, you see some the top of that your penis, you will see that the color of it is changed due to this chemical. It starts affecting those areas, and whenever you encounter a woman without this, you can easily be infected by any infection due to those areas are open. Because this thing normally kills those top area of the penis.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Please don't use this thing. I'm not advising you guys or you girls to use this. Thank you. I really